This is a quick overview how to get your Hikvision camera set up for access. When I installed mine, couldn't access it at all. Didn't have a clue what I was doing. Wouldn't view it like I could do some other cameras I've got. So the first thing I did, I don't know if you have to do this, but I did it. So if you follow these steps, it will work. Basically, download your app on your phone. It's basically HI Connect. Download it. As soon as you open it, it will say I'll have a big plus button in the middle. Click on that, then it will say scan the code. Scan the code on the back of your camera. It will basically register it. You then put a username and a password that you want to be able to access that camera. So the camera itself is like a little computer, a little PC or something. So you put your username and your password, click OK. When you've done that, I had to download the SADP tool, which I got from Hikvision, which is on that web page there. You just click download. Once you've downloaded that, I'll just connect to my other computer. 1 second. Once you've downloaded that, you basically got the tool there to install, to run it, and then you'll see your camera. Click on that, edit your IP address and the gateway. It automatically sets up as 192.168.1.64. Now that's on a different network than mine, so that's why mine wouldn't see it. So I basically set up to 0.210, which I knew that IP address was free. And then also I had to change the gateway because the gateway was defaulted to 1.1, so I had to change that to 0.1, which is basically just your router IP address, the one when you log onto your router, so it could basically speak to everything else. Do that, click on update, and you can see it. If you can't see it on here, even after you've done what I've told you, try disconnecting it from wherever you've got it connected to and put it directly on the back of your laptop or your PC just to get this bit going. Once you've got the IP address sorted, you'll be fine. You'll click modify, save it, done. Then you exit that, and after that you should be able to connect to it directly. So 192.168.0.120. So this is just connected on my local network, and basically that's me logging into the camera there, nothing else, directly to the camera. I set up an ID as admin, and then I put a password in, and it should connect to your camera. In a second, now it's connected to my camera. Then you've got your live view and your configuration there, where you can change all the nice little bits about quality of it, do your updates, your firmware and things like that, all different things, but that's quite easy to understand all that. But the main thing you want to make sure is you can view it. Once you can view it, when you set it up on your system, it's not as easy I found of scanning for other cameras. I had to basically set this one up a bit manual. So basically this is what I did. It'll be all the same on different software, but basically you just do a manual, specify the manual IP address. When you specify the manual IP address, you'll basically just give it its IP address. You've also got to put the admin or whatever you've called it, the username and the password you've given it. And once you've got them two, it should find it. It shouldn't be much else really to do. And then you'll see it. I've got to set it up on Blue Iris, Cinema, and Sighthound. If we're on Blue Iris now, you'll see I've got it configured in there. And if we go into edit camera, if I can remember what that was, on camera settings, you'll see my video. When you configure, basically I put the IP address, put the password and the username in, click find and inspect, and it basically filled in all the rest for me there. Clicked OK, and and that started working. Oops. And that's it really. So basically, on your phone, set up, install the app, scan the QR code, install SADP tool, get the IP address and the gateway set up, connect via web browser to make sure you can see it, then set up your software. Right, thanks for listening.